Chloe. Hi. What one's you have? It's the yes! Hi guys, so back at Central Park, back at it again with the vlogs. It's your favourite trio here. Dream team. I don't have a third word, sorry. Today we've just been hanging out. We've got a bit of a clan here. That's all we've got time for, so see you in the next vlog. Hello there.
Went to porta potty for the first time, I think, in like my life. It was a nice porta potty. I swear, I want Purell though. Hello.
Don't you know you can change your hair and you can change your clothes. You can change your mind, that's just the way it goes. You can say goodbye and you can say hello, but you'll always find a way back home. You can change your style, you can change your dreams. You can learn to fly and you can chase your dreams. You can laugh and cry, but everybody knows. You ready?
Rate it.
10.
Last day off 2019. Yeah. 10 for 2.
We're on the way to the city.
Yeah, bullshit.
Pretty emotional. That's not it. Starbucks.
Party! Yeah, party!
Say goodbye and you can say hello, but you'll always find a way back. You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. You can change your mind, it's just the way it goes.
She's ready to get on the town.
Yeah, Jessie.
It's Jess. Hi. Hi guys. So, we are about to depart for the staff party 2019. Feeling good? How are we feeling last night? Jess, show us your outfit.
Hi guys, so we're on the High Line. This is the New York City High Line. Look at the beautiful view behind you. Absolutely stunning.
Living the good life full of goodbyes. My eyes are on the great sky, saying I don't want to come home tonight.
Here's the famous one plane.
I don't even remember, but my friend passed out in the Uber ride. Oh,
It's
from the
Taco
city of
Tuesday.
915,
Come and show us your
where all
bar.
the girls are pretty and they're down for the hype. All my boys are with me, going up for the night. But who cares?
Hi.
Who cares?
Hello.
This is the year. So wake me up in the spring.
We're in Miami.
We don't always say what we mean.
at this face. Not on my lap like a child.
Give us a smile.
Bucket hats are still cool.
I did that with you.
Cause this is your year. So wake me up in the spring while I'm high off my American dream. We don't always say what we mean. It's the lie of an American dream. My youth is the foundation of me. Living life as an American teen.
Alltså den här ska se på
American teen. Oh yeah. We don't always say what we mean when we're high off our American teen. My youth is the foundation of me.
Yeah, I'll bring it back.
American. So wake me up in the spring.
Are you on this shit?
We don't always say what we mean. It's the love in American shame. My youth is the foundation of me. Living life is an American tale. American tale. American tale. Oh yeah. American teenager. And I'll be living this dream with you. Your mouth is a revolver, find bullets in the sky. Your love is like a soldier, loyal till you die.
Anyways, it's a nice day now.
And I've been
Sun's
looking at
out.
the stars
Carol's gonna get burnt
for a
again.
long, long time. I've been putting out fires
She's tan now
all
though.
my life. Everybody wants a flame, they don't want to get burned. And today is our turn. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. This world is getting colder, strangers passing by. No one offers you a shoulder, no one looks you in the eye.
Please be able to center away from the outside gates. That's the safest place for them to be today.
But I've been looking at you for a long, long time, just trying to break through, trying to make you mine. Everybody wants to flame, they don't want to get burned. Well, today is our turn. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire.
I do this on the vlog. Yeah, boy! We're so proud of
People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. Days